Asbestos was widely used in several materials for its durability and heat resistance. Unfortunately, asbestos exposure sometimes causes cancer. We'll explore who should have provided warnings about its dangers in Air and Liquid Systems Corporation versus DeVries. Air and Liquid Systems Corporation and other manufacturers made equipment such as pumps, blowers, and turbines that were used on U.S. Navy ships in the 1950s through the 1980s. Often, the equipment was delivered in bare metal condition without asbestos components, but required that asbestos components be added later to be able to function. When used, these parts released asbestos fibers into the air. John DeVries and Kenneth McAfee were exposed to these fibers while serving on Navy ships during this period. They both developed cancer decades later. The veterans sued the equipment manufacturers for their injuries in a Pennsylvania state court, claiming that the manufacturers negligently failed to provide warnings of the danger. The manufacturers removed the case to federal district court due to its federal maritime jurisdiction. They moved for summary judgment under the bare metal defense, arguing that they weren't liable for harm caused by third-party parts added later on. The district court granted the motion. The veterans appealed to the Third Circuit, which reversed the district court and remanded the case, explaining that the manufacturers had a duty to warn because the integration of dangerous parts was foreseeable. The manufacturers appealed to the United States Supreme Court. The veterans died during litigation, and their estates took over their cases.